Join me as I take on the challenge of drawing a rainbow hen from scratch. Let's see if I can make this colorful bird come to life. Today, we're going to explore the magical world of drawing, and I'm excited to share with you a super fun and creative activity that's perfect for all ages, drawing a rainbow hen. Who wouldn't love combining the cuteness of a hen with the vibrancy of a rainbow? When it comes to drawing animals, many of us face some common challenges. We might struggle to get the proportions right, or find it hard to capture their unique features. But what if I told you that adding color can be a game changer? It's amazing how a dash of bright hues can spark creativity and bring our drawings to life. Colors have the power to evoke emotions and add personality to our artwork. By incorporating a rainbow of colors, we can transform a simple hen into a stunning piece of art that's truly one of a kind. So, if you're ready to unleash your inner artist and let your creativity shine, then let's dive in and get started. It's easy to get caught up in the idea that we need to be perfect, that our drawings need to be realistic, or that they need to be exactly like someone else's. But the truth is, creativity is all about experimentation and having fun. It's okay if our drawings aren't perfect, because it's the process of creating that truly matters. So, are you ready to let go of any doubts and join me on this colorful adventure? Let's take a deep breath, grab our pencils, and get ready to bring this rainbow hen to life. Let's start by sketching the basic shape of our hen. Don't worry too much about the proportions, we can refine them as we go along. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process. To incorporate rainbow colors effectively, let's think about how we can balance warm and cool hues. We can use warm colors like red, orange, and yellow for the hen's body, and cool colors like blue, green, and purple for the wings and tail. Next, let's add some feathers to our hen. We can use short, curved lines for the body and longer, flowing lines for the wings and tail. Don't be afraid to experiment with different line weights and textures to add depth and dimension to your drawing. As we continue to add more details, remember to keep it loose and playful. This is a rainbow hen, after all, so let's not be afraid to get a little wild and crazy with our colors. And here's the moment of truth, our rainbow hen is finally starting to take shape. Isn't it amazing how a few simple lines and colors can bring this little bird to life? Take a step back and admire your handiwork, because you should be incredibly proud of yourself. Drawing is all about experimentation and taking risks, and you've done an amazing job of embracing your creativity and bringing this rainbow hen to life. The most important thing to remember is that creativity is a journey, not a destination. It's okay if your drawing doesn't turn out exactly as you envisioned. The real magic happens in the process of creating, not in the end result. Before we wrap up, I want to invite you to share your own drawings of the rainbow hen in the comments below. I'd love to see how you interpreted this colorful challenge, and who knows, you might just inspire someone else to pick up a pencil and get creative. Thanks so much for joining me on this colorful adventure, and don't